Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school laptop. First, power on your device and connect to the school's secure Wi-Fi. You'll then log in using the unique student credentials provided by your IT department. Take a moment to explore the desktop and locate essential pre-installed educational applications like word processors, presentation software, and any learning management system shortcuts. This initial setup ensures you're ready to access all necessary resources for your studies. Your school laptop comes equipped with vital tools. Make sure to regularly check your learning management system for new assignments, announcements, and to communicate with teachers. Leverage the cloud storage, often offering several gigabytes of space, to save your work securely and access it from anywhere. If you need additional software, always use the school's approved software center to ensure compatibility and security. Proper care extends your laptop's life. Always keep your device charged, aiming for at least 80% battery before class, and transport it in a protective case to prevent physical damage. If you encounter any technical problems, like a non-responsive screen or slow performance, report them to the IT support team promptly. Remember to browse safely and never download unapproved software to maintain security. To get the most out of your school laptop, establish good habits. Organize your digital files into clear, labeled folders, making it easy to find assignments and notes. Explore the built-in accessibility features, such as text-to-speech or screen magnification, to tailor the device to your specific learning needs. Don't hesitate to utilize the many online tutorials and school-provided support resources available to enhance your skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.